ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇవాళ మనం న్యూస్ చదువుకున్నాము.
Hello, Namaskar. This is First Post, and you're watching Vantage with me, Palki Sharma.
Hello, Namaskar. This is First Post. You are watching Vantage with me, Yukta Gurram.
Day 3 of Operation Sindoor, the fight
The day 3 of Operation Sindoor,
is intensifying. Pakistan
the fighting is intensifying. Pakistan
fired 3 to 4
Pakistan has fired 3 to
100 drones into India.
400 drones into India.
Now, most of them have been neutralized. No
Most of them have been utilized.
damage reported. India
No damage reported. India
fired back and has stepped
India fired back and stepped up
its war preparedness.
Its war preparedness.
But here's the million-dollar question: Are
But here's the $1,000,000 question.
we at war with Pakistan?
Are we at war with Pakistan?
The answer officially is no, and we tell you
The answer officially is no, and we will tell you why. Meanwhile,
There's a third party in this conflict.
there is third conflict in this.
Third party in this conflict.
Meanwhile, there is a third party in this conflict.
Pakistan is using Chinese weapons to
Pakistan is using Chinese weapons to
strike at India. A special report on India's stellar air
A special report in India Stellar's
defense. We tell you
air defense. We will tell you
how the Indian forces blocked drones
how the Indian force is blocked
and
drones and
down missiles from Pakistan.
down missiles from Pakistan.
On international airwaves,
On international airways,
India is winning the narrative war.
India is winning the narrative war.
We'll tell you how. Also
We will tell you how. Also,
debunking fake news and
debunking fake news and Pakistani
propaganda designed to create panic.
propaganda designed to create panic.
Tracking the IMF meeting.
Tracking the IMF meeting.
Will they bail out Pakistan again?
Will they bail out Pakistan again?
From 26/11 to Pahalgam, how
26/11 to Pahalgam,
Prime Minister Modi has set a
how Prime Minister Modi has set
new precedent to secure
new precedent to secure
India.
India.
What this escalation means for you,
What this escalation means for you,
we'll tell you 5 things that you must know.
we will tell you 5 things that you must know.
Also report on how civilians are
Also report on how
Reporting.
report how
Reporting.
also a report on how civilians
coming under Pakistani fire.
are coming under Pakistani fire.
So more coming up, headlines.
All this and more coming up. The headlines first.
The Board of Control for Cricket in India
The Board of Control Cricket in India
suspends the Indian Premier League
suspend the Indian Premier League
or IPL for a week.
League or IPL for a week.
The decision comes amid escalating tensions
The decisions come amid escalating tensions
between India and Pakistan.
between India and Pakistan.
Thursday, the match in Dharamsala
On Thursday, the match in Dharmasala
was called off
over
security concerns.
security concerns.
The IPL was to wind up on the 25th of May
The IPL was wound up on 25th of May
in Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Russian President Vladimir Putin
Russian President Vladimir
Vladimir.
Putin
vows Moscow will be victorious in
vows Moscow will be victorious in
Ukraine.
Ukraine.
Just as the Soviet Union was in
just as a Soviet Union
Soviet Union
was in
War II.
War II.
He made the remark during Moscow's
He made the remark during Moscow's
Victory Day parade where Russia
Victory Day parade, where Russia
showcased attacked drones for the first
attacked drone for the first time.
At the parade, Putin sat with China's Xi Jinping.
The parade Putin sat China's Xi Jinping
greeted North Korean military
and greeted North Korean military
officers.
services.
Iranian foreign minister will visit
Iranian foreign minister will
Saudi Arabia and Qatar to
visit Saudi Arabia and Qatar
tomorrow, just days before
Donald Trump begins a regional tour.
Before
Donald Trump began a regional tour,
is scheduled to visit Saudi Arabia.
Trump is scheduled to visit Saudi Arabia. Scheduled to release Saudi Arabia,
Qatar and the UAE from the
Qatar and UAE from
13th to the 16th of May.
From the 13th to 16th of May.
This will be his first major foreign
trip
since he returned
to
the White House in
returned to White House in
January. It comes
January.
amid US-Iran negotiations
It comes as US-Iran negotiations
over Tehran's nuclear program.
over the nuclear program.
Tehran nuclear program.
Over the nuclear program.
Okay.
Program.
A Sri Lankan Air Force helicopter
The Sri Lanka Air Force helicopter
crashes during a graduation
The Sri Lankan Air Force helicopter crashed during a graduation
ceremony, killing 6
of
of the 12 military personnel on board.
the 12 military personnel on
The helicopter plunged into
board. The helicopter plunged
the reservoir during a
into a reservoir during a
demonstration. The
demonstration.
tragedy is the
The tragedy in the is
Sri Lankan Air Force's worst
the Sri Lankan Air Force's worst
one
one
since the Chinese built aircraft crashed
since the Chinese built aircraft crashed
in 2020.
in 2020.
Drone strikes hit the Sudanese city of Port
Drone strikes the Sudanese city of Port
Sudan for the sixth
Sudan for the sixth
straight day.
straight day. The army
has once again blamed the
paramilitary
military rapid support forces or
rapid support forces or RSF
for this attack. Since last Sunday, the port city has been hit by daily drone strikes.
Since last Sunday, the port city has been hit by daily drone.
Port Sudan is the main and
Port Sudan is the main
point for
humanitarian
aid into the Sudan.
Humanitarian aid into the Sudan.
And the new Pope says, don't reduce Jesus
And new Pope says, do not reduce Jesus
to a superman.
Pope
Leo's address to cardinals came less with
24
hours after his election.
Hours after this election.
His inauguration mass will take place on Sunday in
His inauguration mass will take place on Sunday in
St. Peter's Square.
St. Peter's Square.
The 69-year-old is the first.
The 69-year-old is the first
American Pope. There's one question everyone is asking.
There is one question everyone is asking.
Are we at war?
Are we at war?
Some journalists have declared it already.
Some journalists have declared it already.
Social media users are asking for it.
Some social media users are asking for it.
But are we truly in a state of war with Pakistan?
But are we truly in a state of war with Pakistan?
As of now, the answer is no.
As of now, the answer is no.
And we'll explain why tonight.
We will explain why tonight.
We'll also tell you how India usually declares a war.
We will tell you how India usually declares a war.
But first, let's get you the battlefield updates.
But now India casually declared a war. But first, let's get you the battlefield
Yesterday
updates.
night was tense and chaotic.
Yesterday night was tense and chaotic.
Between 8 and 9 p.m. IST,
Between 8 and 9 p.m. IST,
Pakistan started firing
Pakistan started firing
projectiles at India. We brought you
projectiles at India. We brought you
these pictures yesterday.
these pictures yesterday.
Bright dots could be seen over the skies in
Bright dots could be seen over the skies
northern and western India.
in the northern and western India.
The first reports came in from
The first report came in from
Jammu.
Jammu.
But similar scenes were seen in Punjab and Rajasthan
Similar scenes were seen in Punjab and Rajasthan
as well. Information was
as well. Information
hard to come by last night,
hard to come by last night.
but now the fog of war has lifted.
But now the fog of war has lifted.
And here's what we can tell you
And here's what we can tell you
about what happened there.
about what happened there.
Pakistan targeted sites across
Pakistan targeted sites across
the western frontier,
the western frontier,
all the way from Leh to Gujarat.
all the way from Leh to Gujarat.
At least 36 Indian locations were targeted.
At least 36 Indian were targeted.
This
Locations were targeted.
includes Pathankot, Udhampur,
This includes Pathankot, Udhampur,
Jammu and Jaisalmer.
Jammu and Jaisalmer, Pakistan.
Pakistan fired some 300 to 400
Pakistan fired some 300 to 400
drones. Apparently, the idea
drones. Apparently, the idea
was to test the Indian air defense.
Apparently, idea was to test the Indian forces
Perhaps even to
defense, perhaps even
gather intelligence.
to gather intelligence.
But the Indian military was ready for it. They
But Indian military was ready for it. They neutralized
most of these Pakistani drones.
Neutralized most of these Pakistani drones.
Later on, another armed drone
Later on, other armed drone
targeted the air base in
targeted the air base in Patinda.
That too was neutralized by India.
That too neutralized by India.
But the army admitted some losses and injury.
But the army attempted some losses and injuries.
Though the extent is not clear.
Though the extent is not clear.
I'm sure you've all seen pictures of these
I'm sure you have all seen these pictures. Pakistani
attacks. Despite that,
Pakistani attacks. Despite
all of these videos circulating,
despite that all of these videos circulating,
Islamabad has denied responsibility.
Islamabad has denied responsibility.
They claim that
they claim that no attack
was launched on India by them.
No attack was launched on India by them.
Today, New Delhi slammed that narrative.
Today, New Delhi slammed the narrative. The Foreign
Secretary of India called it an
Secretary of India called
The
it.
Foreign
example
Secretary of
The
India.
Foreign Secretary of India called it another example
Pakistani
of Pakistani duplicity.
duplicity.
The official and blatantly farcical denial of these attacks that Pakistan carried out by the Pakistani state machinery is yet another example of their duplicity and the new depths that they are plumbing in their quest for disinformation. This is nothing but a desperate attempt by Pakistan to disown its acts of aggression, but it is also true to type in its effort to deceive and mislead the world. It will not succeed.
Pakistan can deny all they want, but there is
Pakistan can deny all they want, but
proof of their attack from last
there is a proof of their attack from last
night.
night. Projectiles
Have been discovered from at least 4
projectiles have been discovered from at least
sites from
4 sites from
Jaisalmer, from
Jaisalmer, from
Hoshiarpur,
Hoshiarpur,
from Bathinda,
from Bathinda
and from Rajouri. Take a look
and from Rajouri. Take a look at this.
As expected, India hit back
As expected, India hit back.
after this Pakistani
escalation.
We fired drones at 4 Pakistani
We fired drones at 4 Pakistani sites.
And we took out 1 air defense radar.
We took out 1 air defense radar.
Now remember, 1 air defense system in Lahore was destroyed on Thursday morning. So
on Thursday this morning.
This would mark the second successful hit. In other words, India has destroyed 2 air defense.
In other words, India has destroyed 2 air defense
systems of Pakistan one day.
In one day. In Pakistan. In addition, India has confirmed
major losses to
Pakistani forces.
Though once again the specifics are missing.
Specifics are missing. Now
all of this was happening over Indian and Pakistani.
All of this was happening over Indian and Pakistani
airspaces.
Very dangerous
exchange of fire.
A very dangerous exchange of fire.
Yet Pakistan did not close their airspace. Let me simplify that for you. Pakistan allowed civilian planes to fly over the region while launching drones at India. Basically, they use civilian planes as shields. It is the definition of a rogue terrorist state. Indian officials pointed that out today. They highlighted that one civilian passenger plane was flying overhead.
Flying overhead
during the attack. Take a look at this.
The screenshot which is showed and we shall share with you. It shows the data of the application Flight Radar 24 during a high air defense alert situation in the Punjab sector. As you have seen, the airspace on the Indian side is absolutely devoid of civil air traffic due to our declared closure. However, there are civil airlines flying the air route between Karachi and Lahore. Amongst the other civil aircraft that you can see, we have highlighted an aircraft which is Airbus 320 of Flynas Aviation, which was originated from Dammam at 1750 hours and landed later at Lahore at 2110 hours in the night.
Bye, friends.